Hey there, beauties. Today, we are going to bust some common beauty myths and learn how to see real growth in our habits. First off, let's talk about the myth that you have to use expensive products to see results. The truth is, it's more about consistency and the right ingredients for your skin type. Investing in a good skincare routine doesn't have to break the bank. Now, let's address the idea that beauty is only skin deep. While taking care of your physical appearance is important, true beauty comes from within. Make sure to prioritize self-care and self-love to truly glow from the inside out. Remember, by breaking free from these beauty myths and focusing on healthy habits, you'll see real growth and transformation in your beauty routine. Embrace your unique beauty and watch yourself bloom. Uplifting ending sentence. Beauty is not about conforming to society's standards, but about embracing and celebrating your natural self. So keep shining, beautiful. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I'm here to share with you 10 simple self-esteem boosting beauty hacks that will make you feel confident and radiant in no time. First up, remember to take care of your skin by staying hydrated and using sunscreen daily. A healthy glow starts from within. Next, experiment with different hairstyles and find one that makes you feel amazing. Whether it's a sleek ponytail, beachy waves, or a bold braid, changing up your hair can instantly boost your confidence. Remember, beauty is not just about how you look on the outside, but how you feel on the inside. Treat yourself with kindness and love, and watch your self-esteem soar. Uplift your spirits by practicing daily affirmations and surrounding yourself with positive energy. You deserve to feel confident and beautiful every single day. Remember, you are unique and special just the way you are. Embrace your individuality and let your inner beauty shine through. Stay fabulous, lovelies. Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you ready to start your day with a boost of confidence? Well, look no further because I've got the perfect healthy breakfast ideas just for you. First up, let's kickstart your morning with a delicious smoothie bowl. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, this breakfast will not only make you feel good on the inside, but also keep your skin glowing all day long. Next, why not try some overnight oats with chia seeds and berries? This simple yet nutritious breakfast is a great source of fiber and protein, giving you the energy you need to conquer your day with confidence. Remember, taking care of yourself starts with what you fuel your body with. So, treat yourself to these healthy breakfasts and watch your confidence soar to new heights. Have a fabulous day ahead, lovelies. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to starting each day with a smile and a healthy breakfast. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 makeup techniques that you absolutely must master if you want to achieve success in your makeup game. First up, blending is key. Whether you're creating a smoky eye or a flawless base, blending is essential to achieving a seamless and professional finish. Make sure to use the right tools and techniques to blend your makeup effortlessly. Next, mastering the art of contouring and highlighting can truly elevate your makeup look. By strategically sculpting your face with contour and adding a touch of highlight to your key features, you can create dimension and definition that will take your makeup to the next level. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting and honing your skills to become a makeup pro. With dedication and patience, you can master these 5 makeup techniques and achieve success in your beauty journey. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and have fun with your makeup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Hey there, foodies. Have you ever thought about making a mindset shift towards no-oil cooking? Let me tell you, it's truly transformational. When I made the switch to cooking without oil, I noticed a significant change in my overall health. Not only did I start feeling lighter and more energetic, but my skin also started to glow from within. Main story point 1. I realized that by eliminating oil from my cooking, I was able to truly taste the natural flavors of the ingredients. It was like a whole new world of culinary delights opened up to me. Main story point 2. Another amazing benefit of no-oil cooking was that my digestion improved drastically. I no longer felt bloated or sluggish after meals, and my body thanked me for making such a positive change. So, if you're looking to make a healthy and delicious shift in your cooking, I encourage you to try out no-oil recipes. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to a happy and healthy cooking journey ahead. Cheers to the mindset shift behind no-oil cooking transformation.